Hey, what's up guys? I was sent this faucet extender for free so I could check it out, install it, and do a quick video letting you know what I think about it. So this particular video right now, I'm just doing an unboxing. I'll do a separate video of the actual install so you can see if it's easy or difficult. From looking at it right now, I think it's going to be a pretty simple install, but right now I just want you to see what it comes with. So here you're looking at a set of instructions and just kind of glancing at it really quickly. It's going to be a really super simple install. It comes equipped with a wrench there and kind of an Allen wrench, and then a couple different options for rubber seals. So that gives you options depending on what your sink and faucet situation is. It's like you have a little roll of Teflon tape there to help prevent any leaks. And then, now the box empty, it comes in a nice fabric drawstring cloth. And what's cool about that is just that it keeps it from getting all scratched up while it's in transit being shipped to you. So now I was really excited when they contacted me about this because I've checked it out before and I just hadn't made the purchase yet, but I just think it's a really cool system and a really cool idea. So I'll do another video, like I said, really soon, and then that way you can see how it installs and then how it actually looks when you're using it. But really excited about that, so keep an eye out and make sure to check it out when I do go ahead and get that installed.